Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today for the Super Bowl coming up here shortly, we're going to do a couple wing recipes. One is going to be a garlic butter parmesan wing, and the other we're going to do an apricot apple chipotle glaze for that. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Alright guys, today our ingredients are pretty simple. Obviously chicken wings, some chipotle in adobo, bowl of garlic, some apricot preserves, some apple juice, some Parmesan cheese, some butter, salt, pepper, some rubs of some sort. Then we're going to glaze our wings up after we give them a little smoky bath out there in the Traeger. We're going to make some delicious wings next on Cooking with Corey. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to chop up some garlic. I already changed my mind. I decided we're going to add some habanero to the garlic butter parmesan wings also. It's out of a Jennifer's garden this summer. It's froze. So anyway, I've already smushed these garlic cloves and got the peels off of them, and then you just want to run your knife through them. Or if you got one of those fancy schmancy little things, you just put the garlic in, push it out, you get garlic. First and foremost, you're lazy, but you know, that's fine. I'm all for lazy too, so just giving you a little bit of shit. Go through it with the knife like so. However you go about it, like, you know, that little squirter thing looks really good right now, so alright, when it gets to that point, I like to spread it out a little bit like so. We'll give it a little kosher salt on there. And then you just take your knife, push down and through, back through. Just pull a little bit off your pile there and smush and pull, 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 smush and pull. Just start breaking those down. As you can see, they're going to start. I'm going to continue this process, and I'll bring you back here when I'm close. Alright, we're really close to getting this garlic done. I'm going to give it a little bit more kosher salt. Extracting that, you're doing a good job. Run your knife through it. Just pull back through. That garlic's ready to go. Now with that garlic, we got our habanero, and I'm just gonna take it down the sides like that. Just trying to kind of avoid all the seeds, but a little, it's not gonna hurt any. This is the side. I'm not trying to be fancy with this, so we're just gonna go through it like so. Run your knife through. Alright, so there. Those can combine. What's going to happen here is we got our 2 sticks of butter, which going to get combined with our garlic and our habanero. What we're going to do is we're going to let this steep on the stove. Obviously, maybe add a little bit of cracked pepper, but obviously we've got salt in with that garlic, so you're not going to need it. Just going to steep on the stove, get nice and delicious. Be ready to coat some wings here coming up. Alright guys, let's make our other glaze. Let's make our apricot chipotle apple glaze. So what I got started out here in my little Oscar is 3 tablespoons of apricot preserves. And what I picked up today at my store, my Russ's, was I got this chipotle salsa. Now, if you don't got the salsa, definitely just put a chipotle in here and just mix it up. It'll do the same thing. You'll be fine. But this is actually chipotle's already messed up. And we got some good old apple juice. Water it down a little bit. Let me turn down my butter over here. I can hear it going. We'll let that go. Anyway, so right here, let's start out with 3 tablespoons, obviously, of the apricot preserves. To start with, this probably be good. 1 tablespoon of, a heavy tablespoon, probably a tablespoon and a half of our chipotles. And see how this works. Let's give it a splash of that apple juice to begin with. We're going to see where we end up. We'll probably have to add more. Or not. We're going to see where we end up here. Let's give this a spin and see where we're at here. Alright. That quick. You make a delicious glaze for your wings. And it's good. It's a good looking glaze. Got a good consistency. Give it a taste. Actually, no. Here comes the chipotle. We're going to give it a little bit more chipotle. Give that a whiz. We're going to get our wings seasoned up and get them out there on the Traeger. It's snowing out here in Lincoln, Nebraska right now. So we're going to be smoking in the snow. But anyway, there's our glazes. We know how to do, and we'll be back. Alright guys, welcome back. I decided rub-wise, we're going to do good old Rip Boy rub number 1. Figured he might go good with the flavors, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to start out with my impeccably clean hands, by the way. So let's get them on there. First batch of ribs here, or wings, obviously. Got ribs on the mind because the collab is the 28th. If you guys haven't got your ribs going, the ribs and a side collab is January 28th. Hashtag ribs and a side. So if you haven't or you want to, get your rib and a side going. All right. One or other. Alright, I'm going to finish rubbing these down, get it ready for the smoker. I'll show you out there, and I'll show you the snow, and we'll come back, get these cooked, get them glazed, get them ate, call it a day. Alright guys, here we go. We got them on the Traeger out here. We got that Rip Boy rub number 1 on there. They're looking good. We'll go back inside because I tell you what, guys, it's snowing out here, and I'm going to show you right now. Here we go. Close the lid on the good old Traeger. I don't know if you can see it, guys. This is snowing a pretty good clip here in Lincoln, Nebraska right now. I don't know if Smokey Goodness is out on his back deck smoking anything. I don't know. We'll have to check his channel later. There's a lot of snow going on though now, guys, so it is snowing. She's coming down pretty good. Let's get these wings done. Alright guys, we got our wings out here. They are done. They're ready pulled off. So we have glazed our wings with our apricot chipotle apple glaze. These will go in to do a bath with the butter with the garlic and the habanero. Alright, here are our garlic, butter, habanero, Parmesan wings. Ready to plate. We're going to add the Parmesan at the end, but the others are out there. Get a nice crust on them. Out on the Traeger. Plate this up next, guys. Alright, guys. Time to plate these wings up. We got our garlic habanero Parmesan wings here. Obviously have to add Parmesan to those yet. And our apricot, apple, and chipotle wings right here. So let's get these plated up here. First and foremost, let's put we're gonna do it two-sided, so let's do side over here. Obviously it's gonna be our chipotle. Side over here will be our garlic Parmesan habanero wings. So let's get these plated here. While we do that, take a quick, give some Parmesan on here quick, because you gotta make a garlic Parmesan. Here we go, like so. Put a layer on them here. Look at that, all that garlic on there, all that butter, that habanero. A little bit more Parmesan on here. That gives us our delicious garlic Parmesan habanero. And we'll top that off with a little bit of our butter mixture. Like so. Alright. We'll move on to our other wings, which is an apricot chipotle wing with some apple juice. So these are more of a stickier wing, quite obviously. And we'll pile these on here. They got a lot of stickiness to them. These are good. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of heat. It's what you're looking for. Alright, these are two types of wings. Excuse my reach. We'll give this a little bit of left of what we got left of our glaze here. There you guys got it. We have got a garlic, habanero, butter, Parmesan wing right here. And over here we got our chipotle, apricot, apple glazed wing right over here. Two different wings. Use it for your Super Bowl. Tweak it the way you want. I'll tell you what, those are some good wings. Thank you for watching Cooking with Corey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Alright, our ingredients today are simple. Chicken wings. Yay, chicken wings. Chipotle,